Hi there, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help. And it is my mission and my passion to help you get a little healthier through the foods that you eat. I believe in practical teaching. I love telling you simple, easy ways that you can make your meals a little bit healthier. Let's be honest, we all have to eat, right? So I would love for you to start being more intentional with the foods that you're eating, because the foods that you eat tell your body how to act, how to feel, how to stay well, or how to be sick. And I don't know about you, but I really want to stay well. So therefore, it takes a little effort and a little education and a little consistency in order to feed your body a little bit more nutritious foods. And today I want to talk about garlic, because a lot of people love garlic, but you may not know why it's so good for us. Garlic is in the onion family. So think or yellow onions, white onions, green, red, shallots, leeks, and garlic are all in the same family. Anything in that family is very good for the cardiovascular system. These magical foods in the onion family go in our body, and they help actually open up and relax our blood vessels so that our blood can flow more evenly. So anything in the onion family has been known to help regulate blood pressure. That's how powerful food can be. But a lot of people don't see it as medicine. They see it as just, oh, it tastes good or it tastes bad. The good news about garlic, it's good for us and it tastes good. I tell people in my classes, the stinkier your breath, the healthier your heart. Garlic is also like an antibiotic. So a lot of holistic practitioners will prescribe garlic as an antibiotic. I'm not doing that. I'm not a doctor. But if you were to crush up 2 raw cloves of garlic, it's an equivalent to 1 dose of antibiotic. That's how wonderful garlic is for us. Put it in all your recipes. Here's a little joke. I mean, it's really, I actually do this. Anytime I find a recipe that's not mine out on the internet and I try it and it calls for 2 cloves of garlic, I put 3 or 4 every single time. Now, here's the funny story. One time I was actually making my own recipe. I was looking in my own cookbook, making a recipe, and it called for like 3 cloves of garlic, and I put 4. And this is the recipe I created. So I thought that was funny. I'm just here to tell you, put garlic in as much as you can because it's really good for you. Mostly, my favorite thing about it, it's anti-inflammatory, meaning it goes in your body and helps reduce the chronic inflammation in your body. And I'm all about trying ways to reduce chronic inflammation in my body. I don't know about you, but I'm here to encourage you to put focus on that, because when we reduce that chronic inflammation in our bodies are able to stay healthier and stronger. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, all the things for Shelly Can Help, so I can help you make your meals just a little bit healthier.